Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am definitely here for today's video because we're talking about her. We're talking about her, y'all. I'm very proud of myself because I am not a wig girl, as in sometimes I don't know how to slay a wig. Like, I like a really quick and easy throw her on the head style of wig, you know, do a little shake a dang shank, put it on the head, okay? But this one comes with baby hair, and I definitely want to take full advantage of the baby hairs because the baby hair with the wavy hair, it gives, okay? And I wanted to give today, and I think I did. I think I served the purpose today. Look at this, honey. I'm very pleased with this. Scott, what? Synthetic what? Girl, like, sometimes you need to toot your own horn when it's needed, and today is it's needed, okay? But anywho, welcome to today's video. Today I am doing a hair review on this hair that I have on my head. Yes, I really like her. I really like her. This is like my second purchase with her. The first time around I got a little too happy hands with her and rubbed my fingers in it and kind of like comb some of the curls out because I wanted it to be a little bit more thicker, which it did do. But when it came to me to tame her down, like once she went big, she just got bigger and bigger and bigger. So I was like, okay, I learned my lesson, so let's do it again. So now I have a full understanding about this hair, and I feel like I can give you guys that. But before I give you guys all the backstory and the details on how to maintain her, go ahead and check out this unboxing part. Okay, yeah, so this is what she is giving. I'm very proud of my effort today. I couldn't even find my actual spray because I have a spray tint that I can spray my actual units without having to do like the foundation, but I think this method works a whole lot better because it's my actual foundation, so it's my actual skin tone. So the scalp looks like my scalp, baby hair looks like my baby hair. Like, you get what I'm saying, right? Okay, cool. Now the maintenance about this hair, yeah, she is long, she's flowy, she's curly, she gives you that bohemian type of human hair look, or Brazilian curls, whatever you want to call it, kinky curls, whatever you want to put this hair in a category. She gives the dupe for that, but she doesn't give the maintenance for that, if that makes sense. What I mean by that, with human hair, you can add a little bit of water, and of course your curly hair products, juice her up, and then good, she looks brand new all over again. That's not the case for this. This is a synthetic unit, and there's some synthetic units that you can, you know, lather up with water and some curling products and, you know, maneuver her back into her curly status. But for some reason for this one, it did not work. I don't know why, because when you feel her, like if you have her, you can feel her, she's very soft and curly. So I'm just trying to figure out, why don't she go back to her natural curling pattern? Besides her being synthetic, like I said, you can curl synthetic, you can straighten synthetic, and I have some other wavier units that I can maintain and put the curls back in. But for this unit in particular, I just, like, I'm being very gentle on rubbing my hands in her, because once she gets big, like I said, it just gets bigger and bigger, and it gets to a certain bigness to where it can't be cute anymore. And I want to show you guys a couple of inputs of like clips of when I did have this hair unit last year. She was bomb. She was very noticeable in my white makeup look. Yes, this was very popular. I got asked a lot, especially on TikTok, what type of hair that I had on my head, and this was her. Okay, I was waiting to reorder her because I was planning ahead for this. I feel like this is like the perfect Valentine type of hairstyle. I feel like this is a very sexy Valentine hair unit, romantic date night type of unit, because she's not an everyday use, she's a special occasion. Like I said, sexy vibe, because I feel sexy when I have curls in my hair, especially like these wavy looks too. Girl, where we going, to the beach, lay across the ocean or something, you know? Yeah, that's what it gives. It gives sexy vibes of hair unit. So she's definitely here for Valentine, for the romance. Okay, so I definitely will leave all the information down at the bottom on where you can get her, but I believe you can get her off of Amazon. I know that Amazon is a very popular way of ordering her hair unit if you want her ASAP, because if you order through the other hair websites, it's going to take you some time to get it. I think I ordered this, I want to say it took me a whole full 7 days to get this. I wasn't in a rush to get it, but it came perfectly on time on when I needed her, which was for the Valentine content. Okay, I needed her, and she's just beautiful. I don't recommend her for the summer, although I feel like she gives you summer waves and all that. The only reason why I'd say not to wear her for the summer is because I feel like the length she is and how hot it is, I feel like she will blow up and give you Chaka Khan vibes, unless that's what you're looking for. I don't know, y'all, but y'all let me know how y'all feel about her. Have y'all tried it before, and are you guys have any interest on trying her? Like, she is so freaking beautiful. Let me stop touching her. Okay, I'm done now. I'm done. But yes, this is her. Any other details I will list down at the bottom. All the stuff that I use to slay her, lay her, will be in the info box as well. Pretty much everything that I use is from Amazon. Don't we all shop on Amazon? Okay, I think that's where we're at, right? Yes. Okay, yeah, but that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing hair review. She's cute. Yeah, I can see like this, she's getting a little staticky. Yeah, let me stop. She cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helped you guys out on give you guys some romantic hairstyles up there if you're like my wiggy girls. Like, I hope this helped you out. But anyway, you guys have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.